Yeah, it's Saturday the 13th of May. I've just had a look at the path, and there's my old Caravan and the new improved one, and boy have I got a lot of work to do. Have I got a lot of work to do, because I've basically got to gut this thing. I was having a look at the floor and it's rotten here, so yeah, I'm going to basically change my mind again how I'm going to do things. I'm going to put the bed here, and I'm going to have to pull all this out. I wanted to keep that, but I'm basically going to rebuild this whole thing, including putting a new kitchen in. I'm going to have to pull this out. I'm going to have to pull all this out because I need to replace the floor. And I'm going to replace the floor with my tongue and groove flooring. And I'll have to probably put it along that way. So I've got to pull this out. Yeah. Yep. It's all got to go. Yep. I got ants there. I sprayed that yesterday. Got ants everywhere. So I've got to strip everything out. Strip it, rebuild it. Yeah, what a job. Got to take everything out so I can replace the floor. But it's going to have a solid floor put back in it. A very, very different sort of floor. Quite a lot heavier too. So, but I'll basically, I'm going to put a desk here. So I'll have something like this already. I'll put something like that there, and I'll put a desk in here, and I'll have a bookshelf underneath, which is going along there, and I'll have shelving here for books, and in here, in this place, I'll have something going along there and there. So I'll basically have all that. I could even just have the desk there. I don't know. We'll work it out. Since I'm pulling everything apart, I can do it any way I want. But this will be the area. That'll be my bed. And this will be the kitchen. To about here. Yeah. Yep. I was toying with the idea of putting shelving up along here, but kind of clutters it a bit. And because I've got all the shelving down here and here, so basically I'd have this coming to about to where that window is. I'd have something like that, and I can put my toaster here, and I can put other bits and pieces there, and then when I'm cooking, you know, this slides across. I may still have the same idea. May just have this under here like that. Do the same thing. I may even just use the same. If I can pull this out tidily, I may use that, but just replace the doors or something or other with the doors I got from that kitchen I pulled out. Anyway, yeah.